So, hi you guys. Today on my Snap cooking tutorial, I'm going to be making vanilla cake and some tacos. I'm going to be using ground beef to make the tacos. I'm not doing no extra, nothing. Just doing something simple for dinner. And yeah, as you can see, I'm wearing my makeup still. I didn't want to wipe it off because it's just like, I gotta cook right now. So, stay tuned, you guys. Stay tuned.
And see here, I'm going to be cooking box cake. Vanilla box cake. So, I made 2 bags here. I'm about to go get all the stuff that I need to make this cake. Okay, so let me go open all this. Oops. And you guys, I'm not doing anything extra. I ain't doing no extra in my cake. Oh, well, I might add a little bit more sugar. I might add a little bit more sugar. But that's the only thing I'm going to be adding besides the regular. Oh my God, don't be hard. Okay. I thought it was going to try to embarrass me. Like, I thought you were gonna try to embarrass me. Like, I can't. Okay, 1 2 3. Okay, like, you know, damn, I talk too fast. Damn, I don't put a shell in there. Let me take my time. Let me take my time. Okay, 1 more. Okay. Okay. So I'm gonna get my mixer. Before I even get that, I gotta pour oil. And then I'm going to be pouring, let me see. Okay. Okay. One. Two. Okay. So let's see. I'm mixing right now. Mind you, guys, if you guys hear a chicken or 2, oh my gosh, my lighting is bad. But you guys, this is my first time doing any cooking tutorial or any such. Just my Snap-Torial, you know what I put on Snap whenever I'm cooking. Oops, child, I almost forgot. Whew. How could I forget? I'm gonna be adding a little bit of almond essence and some sugar. That's all. That's all. And you guys, I have a nice pan too. I have a really nice pan. Oh my gosh, the lighting is so bad. I guess because I'm in front. Should I put a camera over there? Let's see. Oops. Oh my gosh. Is it better or worse? Okay, to me, it's worse. So we'll go back. Actually, let me go to the side. But anyway, back to this. Okay. I feel, you guys don't judge me, but I like to taste it just to see where it's at. I'm gonna put some more because this is 2 batches. I gotta put some more. Everything in it. Sugar and all. Okay. Oh my God, my arm is hurting me. Damn. Whew. Okay.
I literally forgot what I was about to say. But anyway, okay. I'm going to, after I mix up the cake mix, I'm going to take this pan spray and spray it on the pan and put flour on it so the cake don't get stuck to the pan. Yeah.
I have my ground beef here, which I already seasoned last night. So now I'm going to preheat the oven to 350. Okay, now what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take my cake mix and pour it in here. Okay, that should be enough. I think that should be enough. That should be enough. Yeah, that's gonna be enough. Yeah, that's gonna be enough. That's good. It's alright. Okay, that's good. That's good. That's good. Letting that sizzle up is cooking. Well, technically baking. So as you can see and also hear, the oil is sizzling. It's starting to cook. What I'm gonna do is just break it down, and then I'm gonna just let it do its thing. I'm gonna show you guys later when I start to flip it over and, you know, saute it, do my thing. But for right now, I'm gonna just let it do its thing. Let it do its thing right now. And you guys remember, I'm not gonna add no seasoning because, like I told you guys, I did that last night. Okay, you guys, so right now my tacos are starting to brown. Let me see that. Look at that. Look at that. Whew. Okay, you guys, I will be back once I drain this.
So while my ground beef is cooking, while it's finished cooking, I'm going to cut up the lettuce and put the cheese in their bowls. Yep, almost there. Look at. Ooh, boy. Oh my God. Yep.
I'm gonna have to put that thing on low. Okay, you guys, look at that. Okay, that is complete. And as you can see, oh my God, them chickens, as you can see, is no oil. Is no oil at the bottom of the pan, no oil in it. It's all drained out. So it's all good to go. With this, I like mine's dry, but I'm gonna do half for my boyfriend who likes his with tomato sauce. So I'll be back. Okay, so this is mine. This is the regular ground beef with no tomato sauce, and then this is my boyfriend's own because he likes his with tomato sauce. You guys could do that too. I just prefer it to be dry. And this is the tomato sauce that I use to put in his. Okay, so I'm going to move on to cutting up the lettuce and putting the cheese in this bowl right now. This is the brand I'm going to be using. These are the bomb. These are super soft. Oh my gosh. So for these, I'm going to be putting these in the microwave for about like 10 to 15 seconds. Right now, my boyfriend is not home as of yet, but I'm going to be eating mine. I'm going to go ahead and cover his up, but that's the lettuce, that's the cheese, and this is taco cheese. It comes already mixed with all the different cheeses that you would put in a taco. And that's my taco meat. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait.